we're at the mall today at the claw machines. They have this one that's like they have Starbucks gift cards inside them. I've seen these before. They're pretty popular actually. But I might play that one later. There's this one over here filled with a bunch of Valentine minions. Exactly what I was hoping for. So really sweet. I can just hook them right in the headband and should be good. Yeah. So let's try it. Looks like it was just refilled too. Two plays for $1. There's so many in here. It's gotta be at least like 10. So all you gotta do is hook them in the headband. Shoot. Let's just try for this one's body. I want to see if it drops it. Since Valentine's is over, he might have it to set where it just picks it up to get rid of them. Maybe. Come on. Stay. Oh my gosh. That is so weak. Alright. Let's see if I can hook it in there. So hooking in their strap is like the only option here. Try that. Oh shoot, it spun on me. Oh. Alright, I can get that one right there.
Try again.
Get in there. Nope. Almost. These things are so loose though. Let's try it again. I'm like too tall for this claw. Alright, let's try that. Yeah, stay. Oh. Let's try that. See if we can hook it in the headband. Nope, didn't do it. Sugarloaf claws are so much easier to hook in the headbands. These ones are like really hard. Try that. Come on. What? Stay. Oh. Man, it's just not. It's not hooking them like I want it to. I don't know why it won't go in there. Nope, keep on spinning. Nope. Stay. Oh, I see it keeping it longer. If I tried to hook it in that one, it might work. I don't know. Let's see. Come on. Oh my gosh. Nope. How do you get them in the headband? I gotta get one. Come on. Ready? They're just not possible. I don't get it. It's not. Yes, it's in it. Finally. Stay. Last try. Nice. Oh, and it's stuck.
Try again.
Right on my last try. Oh, hold on. Just put another $1 and hoping this won't fall out here. Wish it didn't go in the middle. Alright, let's just cross our fingers here. Don't fall. Okay. Easy movements. Okay, good. Yes, got it. Oh, that's scary. Alright, let's see if we can get in this one. Stay. Oh. Come on. Yes, it's in there. Come on. Yes, got another one. Sweet. Yes. Oh, that almost bounced into here. Sweet. Alright. Got 2 for $1, really. Is it in the... Oh, that was really close. Thought it might have been in it. These guys sell for like 10 bucks each, so make pretty good profit. Show that. Oh, yes, it's in it. Stay. Nice, got it. Another one.
Try again.
Keeps on getting stuck. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Stay.
You wanna throw that one? I paid you the $1. I'll throw it for you.
Oh, it's alright, I got it.
Alright.
Oh, there we go. Oh, thanks. Alright, let's see. I doubt it. Oh, now it's gettable. I don't think I've got the two-eyed one yet, just the one-eyed one. I noticed. Okay. Let's try that. Oh, I so thought that was in. Oh, still gettable. Let's try that. Oh, shoot. Whoa, that's a perfect grab. Stay. Oh. Jeez. Pretty good. Try that. Come on, get in there. Yes, it's in there. That should have it. Nice. Got another one. Yes, that should let it go too. What?
Right.
Oh, jeez. Oh. Don't fall. Oh. Okay. Yes. Oh, phew. Alright. Let's go for this one. Maybe. Stay. Oh, that's gettable. Trying to get it to spin right, but it's not spinning. Alright. Let's try that. Yes! Get in there. That should, yes, it's in there. Sweet, got him. First try. Don't fall. This is so scary. Like, oh my god, he's stuck really well. Alright, I might just have to drop it in there. Oh. Go, fall. Shoot. I pretty much have to spend that try to get him. Alright, that's okay though. I want to see if this one back here. Let's try for this one. Might spin in there, we'll see. No. I might lift it up. Yes, stay. Oh, now it's gettable. Come on, get in there. Last try. Oh. No, that was really close, though. Alright, I think I'm done here. I don't want to play anymore. Alright. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that it? We got 4 of these guys. It's...
Insert coin to continue. coins.
Bucket Roadrunner. 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Oh shit. Nice, 2 and 1.
And clear.
Oh, I'm getting those. Oh wow.
Insert coin to continue. Insert coin to continue. Insert coin to continue.
Yes, got it. Yes, now I get 2 of them. Hell, look at that. Nice. Alright. Super proud. First thing. Oh, where's that? Oh, there's the. Let's go for this. I want to see if I can dig out that ugly doll back there. Come on, first try. Grab. Oh, close. This bear is really old. He's 2011. I have a $size version. And I have a 50-cent version too. I should have him. Come on, grab. Oh, stay. Oh, I'm gonna go for more of his head, I think. Maybe. Come on. Grab it. Stay. Stay. Get in there. Yes, got the dinosaur. Sweet. Alright. Next thing. Ooh, I want the cookie too. Let's go for the Star Trek glove. It always fills this really high, which all my machines never get filled high, so I'm not really used to it. But yeah. Maybe, I don't know. Nope. Oh. Maybe. Come on, stay. Star Trek glove. Nice, got it. This thing has been in here for a while too. Sweet. Oh, stuck. Hold on. Okay. Let's see what to go for. I'm probably gonna try for this monkey, see if I can get it by the loop or something. It's like folded weird though. I don't know. Oh yes, it's in it last minute. Oh my gosh, I wasn't even trying. Oh. Alright, what's up guys? We're at Walmart today playing the jewelry claw. There's these headphones in the back that'll be transferred. Let's go for those.
I don't know where it's aiming at.
It's alright. Here, I got it. You just get used to it. It's like pointing a gun or something.
Or something.
Yeah. Alright. Let's go for these stereo. If I hook them right. Oh, maybe. I don't. Oh, no. I'll go for this pop figure. Come on, get in there. Oh, I didn't. Nope. Alright, that's it for this one. Let's go to the dollar claw. Look at this. There's a made minion right there. Those are incredibly rare. They sell for quite a few bucks too. First thing, should I go for this One Direction pillow? You think so, actually? Come on. Yes, it's in there. I should have it. Come on. I should have it. It's in the loop. As long as it closes. Yes, stay. Yes, got it. One Direction pillow, first try. Okay. Let's go for this owl thing. See if we can catch the loop on it. Maybe. That might pick it up, actually. Oh, shoot. See if I can get him off the wall. Nope. Let's go for this. Jace. Oh, maybe. Come on. Get his arm. Oh, he's gettable. Come on. Perfect. It clamped. That should have him. Come on. Yes, Jace. Stay. Nice. Another Duck Dynasty win. Sweet. My claw's all screwed up. I could maybe get Rocky, actually.
No.
That was pretty sweet. Alright. Let's go for Rocky. See if we can get it by the arm. That'd be sick. See how the claw's tilted like that?
Why?
It's because of cord. See it? Come on, get Rocky. Oh, man. Didn't spin right.
Was that
Seemed like it was about to, yeah. I'm gonna go for this guy over here. Come on. Yes, I should pick him up. Whoa. Oh, nope.
Are you going for Duck Dynasty?
Yeah, I was trying to dig him out by the arm because that's usually how, but... Oh, actually, look. Oh. A necklace in here. Free necklace if you want it.
Wait, how'd you see that?
Just in there. Alright. Yes. Alright, let's go for this Rocky glove right here. Actually, I want to go for this Garfield. Let's go for him first. I'm going to use this swing
like
technique.
rare or something?
Yeah, I don't have this one yet, so I need it. 4, 3, 2, 1. See that? I swung it. Oh, if it clamped. Oh, no. 9 seconds.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on, spin the right. Yes, that might have it. Come on, please, close. Oh, man. Shoot, I don't know if I made him very gettable. Oh, maybe that might have him if it closes. Yes, got him. Sweet, it's perfect. Rocky Killer. I don't have this one yet. Nice. Got him. All right. All right, here it goes. Yeah, it's the best thing in here. That's at Garfield, maybe. Oh, come on. No, it's stabbed Garfield. Here, let me
Well, you
see
have to
something.
get him first.
Try that. Come on. Perfect. Grab. Stay. Rocky. Oh. Wait, you got the guy, right? You put him in my bag? Okay.
I did.
You got him. That guy might not be gettable. Let's go for this glove. Oh, it didn't spin like I... Wait. Oh, if that went down, I still would have got that. Oh, come on. Oh, actually, wait, that might have it. Come on, grab. Yes, stay. Rocky glove. I got it. Nice. Sweet. I want this. I'm gonna go for this Scooby. See if I can win it. That'd be sick. Oh, come on. No, I doubt it unless it... Oh, actually, I almost had... Did you see that? Oh. Alright, guys. Last dollar. I think I'm just gonna go for the Scooby.
on like this side. Hey.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try
You
to
do that.
hair.
Let's try for that Scooby. Come on, please. Last try. Oh, not even close. Alright, well, I'm done completely.
1, 2, 3, come on!